Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Turgid Tours. Today we are on an exciting journey to uncover the hidden treasure of the Isle of Man, situated in the Irish Sea. This self-governing crown dependency has attracted travelers for centuries with its breathtaking landscape, rich history, and thrilling adventures. The Isle of Man has an interesting history of smuggling. It was an ideal hub for smuggling activities during the 18th and 19th centuries. With its long history of trading and proximity to Ireland, the Isle of Man became a hotspot for illegal goods, including spirits, tobacco, and luxury items. The island's secluded bays and intricate networks of caves provided hiding places for smugglers to conceal their illicit cargo from legal eyes of policemen. So now let's dive into experiencing the smuggling era of Isle of Man and join us as we delve into the fascinating aspects of the Isle of Man, from its facts and reason to visit to its vibrant culture, local cuisine, and must-see attractions. Let's dive in right. So now let's interact about the facts about the Isle of Man. The number one is the Isle of Man is a self-governing territory with its own parliament, the Tinwal, which dates back over 1,000 years, and it is the oldest parliament in the world, making it a significant historical institution. Number two fact is all about the curse. It is believed that anyone who fails to greet the ferries at the ferry bridge on the Isle of Man will experience bad luck. Locals and visitors alike make a point to say hello or good day ferries when crossing the bridge to avoid the curse. Number 3 is Isle of Man has no speed limits on rural roads. Unlike most countries, this unique feature is due to the annual TT races, where riders reach incredible speeds on the island's public roads. Do you know, viewers? The legendary musical group the Bee Gees spent their formative years on the Isle of Man. The three brothers, Barry, Robin, and Maurice Gibb, were born in England but moved to the island at a young age. Number 5. The famous tailless cat. Yes, Manx cat found on the Isle of Man have a genetic anomaly called Manx syndrome. This condition can lead to various health issues, and responsible breeding practices are encouraged to protect the breeders. While the official currency of the Isle of Man is the Manx pound, the island also issues its own unique coins and banknotes, which are not legal tender in the United Kingdom but are widely accepted on the island. Number 7 is it was ruled by the Vikings. Evidence of Viking presence can be seen in the numerous Viking burial sites and artifacts discovered across the island, but currently it is under the control of UK. The flag of the Isle of Man, known as the Three Legs of Man, features three armored legs joined at the thigh. This distinctive symbol has been used since the 13th century and represents the island's history and independence. The Isle of Man is known for its rich folklore and ghostly legends. Stories of haunted castles, spectral black dogs, and mysterious beings add an element and mystery to the island's cultural heritage. The Isle of Man is home to the world-famous Isle of Man TT race, considered one of the most dangerous and thrilling motorcycle road races. It attracts riders and spectators from around the world and has a storied history dating back to 1907. Now discover what are the reasons that makes us to visit the Isle of Man. You can experience untouched beauty with stunning landscape that will take your breath away. Immerse yourself in centuries of history through ancient castles, museums, and archaeological sites. Engage in outdoor activities like hiking, cycling, and water sports and the island's picturesque surroundings. Travelers can enjoy the vibrant local culture by participating in lively festivals such as the Manx Music Festival. Discovering charming villages like Peel and Castletown, where traditional Manx culture and architecture blend harmoniously, can be one of the reasons to visit Isle of Man. Take a ride on the vintage steam train or the historic horse-drawn tram for a nostalgic journey through time. You can also explore the island's heritage railways, including the Sniffle Mountain Railway, for panoramic views from the island's highest peak. Tourists can witness the awesome celestial displays as the Isle of Man is recognized as a dark sky discovery site. You can explore the rugged coastline, visit quaint fishing harbors, and bask in the tranquility of sandy beaches. Not only places, but also experience the friendly and welcoming nature of the Manx people, who are proud of their island's unique identity. Visiting there and not enjoying their local cuisine can upset your holidays, so indulge in the Isles of Man's culinary delights, which showcase a blend of traditional Manx dishes and international influences, from popular locally sourced seafood, including queen shallops and Manx kuiper, to hearty meat dishes like the famous Manx Loggington lamb. Your taste buds will be treated to a range of flavors. Don't forget to try the renowned Manx cheese and homemade desserts such as the delightful Manx bonnet. Before visiting, it is crucial to know their nature. The people of the Isle of Man are known for their warm hospitality and friendly nature. The Manx community takes pride in their unique cultural heritage and is always eager to share their traditions and stories with visitors. Prepare to be greeted with a smile and feel the genuine warmth of the locals, making your stay on the island truly memorable. So, do you want to know what are the best things to do on the Isle of Man? The first thing is explore the magnificent ancient castle of Castle Rushen and Peel Castle. Witness the thrill of the Isle of Man TT motorcycle races or visit the TT museum. Take a leisurely stroll along the picturesque Douglas promenade and soak in the coastal views. Visit the Manx Museum in Douglas to delve deeper into the island's captivating history. Discover the enchanting beauty of the ferry bridge and other mystical sights. Hike to the summit of Snæfell Mountain for panoramic views of the island and beyond. Embark on a scenic coastal drive around the island's picturesque roads. Visit the Lexi Wheel, the world's largest walking wheel, and explore the mining heritage. Enjoy a relaxing day at the beach, whether it's the sandy stretches of Peel or the secluded coast of Port Erin. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of the annual Tinwal Day celebration, where Manx culture is on full display. The Isle of Man is a captivating destination that offers a unique blend of history, natural beauty, warm hospitality, and thrilling adventure. With its intriguing facts, scenic landscape, rich heritage, delicious cuisine, and friendly locals, the Isle of Man promises an unforgettable experience for every traveler. So pack your bags and join us as we embark on an unforgettable journey to this hidden gem in the Irish Sea. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy exploring!